Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, we're diving into nature's palette, unveiling the art of natural wood finishing. Have you ever been amazed by how a simple finish can dramatically transform wood? In this video, we'll explore a variety of natural wood finishes that can elevate your projects to new heights while honoring the environment. From eco-friendly oils to sustainable methods, you'll discover techniques that showcase the wood's beauty and character. Join us as we unlock the secrets of natural wood finishes, ensuring your craftsmanship is both stunning and responsible. Let's get started on this inspiring journey. 1. The essence of natural finishes. Transitioning to visuals of chemically treated wood versus naturally finished wood, it's clear that the finish plays a pivotal role in woodworking. So, why choose natural finishes? Natural finishes promote both health and sustainability, allowing the true beauty of the wood to shine through. Unlike synthetic alternatives, these options are free from harmful chemicals, making them safer for both you and the environment. Envision completing a project that exudes warmth and authenticity. With natural finishes, you preserve the character of the wood while embracing eco-friendly practices. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your creations but also reinforces your commitment to a healthier planet. Let's dive deeper into the world of natural finishes. Discovering natural wood finishes. Let's dive into the world of natural wood finishes, where every option can transform your projects into stunning works of art. Recognizing the variety of finishes available can help you enhance the natural beauty of wood while ensuring environmentally friendly practices. 1. Natural oils. Begin with natural oils such as tung and linseed. These oils deeply penetrate the wood, enhancing its grain and delivering a beautiful, warm glow. Tung oil, in particular, is known for its water-resistant properties, making it an excellent choice for kitchen items like cutting boards and utensils. Each oil offers unique advantages, so choosing the right one for your project is key. 2. Beeswax. A beloved choice among woodworkers, beeswax is highly valued for its simplicity and efficacy. When blended with oils, it creates a stunning topcoat that not only seals the wood but also imparts a rich, luxurious luster. This natural finish is perfect for furniture and decorative pieces, adding depth and beauty. 3. Shellac. Let's explore shellac, a natural resin derived from the secretions of the lac insect. It dries quickly and provides a glossy finish that enhances the wood's natural beauty. Shellac is renewable and versatile, making it ideal for a variety of applications, from fine furniture to craft projects. 4. Varnish. Consider eco-friendly varnishes made from natural resins. These finishes form a durable protective layer suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects. They ensure that your creations withstand the test of time while maintaining their natural appeal. 5. Natural dyes. Looking to add a splash of color? Natural dyes derived from plants and fruits can stain wood while allowing the grain to remain visible. This technique embraces a holistic approach to coloring, free from synthetic chemicals. With each of these finishes, you can achieve something unique, making your projects truly one of a kind. Embrace the beauty of nature as you craft and finish your creations. Mastering application techniques. Now that we've explored various natural finishes, it's crucial to learn how to apply them effectively. Each step plays a vital role in achieving a stunning outcome, so let's get started. 1. Preparation. Begin with clean, sanded surfaces. Ensure all dust and debris are removed to create a flawless base. Proper preparation is essential for the best results. Take your time here. 2. Applying oils. Use a clean cloth or brush to apply your chosen oil. Work it into the wood using gentle circular motions, allowing it to penetrate deeply. Don't rush this process. Ensuring proper absorption is key to enhancing the wood's beauty. 3. Buffing. After letting the oil soak in, it's time to buff the surface. Use a soft cloth to bring out the shine, creating a smooth texture that feels fantastic to the touch. This step elevates your piece's aesthetic appeal. 4. Layering techniques. For optimal protection and a richer finish, consider applying multiple coats of oil. Allow each coat to cure thoroughly before adding the next. This layering builds durability and depth in color, ensuring your project stands the test of time. By mastering these techniques, you'll unlock the true potential of your woodworking projects. Ethical sourcing. As we embrace natural finishes, it's essential to consider where we source our materials. Ethical sourcing is crucial for sustainable crafting. Reclaimed wood. Look for reclaimed wood in your projects. This approach not only promotes sustainability but also adds unique character and history to your creations. Each piece carries a story, enriching your work with a narrative that enhances its value. Local suppliers. Support local artisans and businesses that offer sustainably sourced materials. This practice not only bolsters your community but also minimizes the carbon footprint associated with transporting materials over long distances. By prioritizing ethical sourcing, you not only enhance the quality of your projects but also contribute to a healthier planet. Let's make thoughtful choices in our crafting journey. Project ideas with natural finishes. Now that we've covered the theory behind natural finishes, let's get inspired with some exciting project ideas. Here are several ways to incorporate these finishes into your woodworking endeavors. Serving platters. Craft a stunning serving platter from high-quality hardwood and finish it with a food-safe oil. Not only will it enhance your dining experience, but it will also serve as a beautiful centerpiece for gatherings. Bookcases. Consider refinishing a simple bookcase with a natural stain or oil. This technique breathes new life into old furniture, adding sophistication and character to your decor. Home accessories. Create charming candle holders or picture frames and finish them with beeswax, giving them a warm, inviting glow. These handmade items make perfect gifts and delightful additions to your home. Garden decor. Explore your creativity by designing unique garden art using outdoor-friendly natural finishes. This not only beautifies your outdoor spaces but also ensures the durability of your projects against the elements. With these project ideas, the possibilities are endless. Embrace your creativity and let the beauty of natural finishes elevate your woodworking. Each piece you create will reflect your commitment to craftsmanship and sustainability, making your work truly special. Happy crafting. Building a crafting community. Crafting is truly best enjoyed within a community. Consider hosting workshops or inviting fellow crafters to join you in sharing techniques and ideas. Collaboration not only sparks creativity but can also lead to incredible projects that you might never have attempted alone. The connections you make can bring inspiration and support in all your endeavors. You never know who you might inspire along the way. Let's celebrate the joy of woodworking together. As we conclude our journey through nature's palette, I encourage you to embrace the art of natural wood finishing in all your projects. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio. Join us as we continue to explore the beauty and sustainability of woodworking practices. Thank you for watching. Remember, every piece of wood tells a unique story, and your choice of finishes can help reveal its true character. Let's honor that story with care and creativity. Until next time, keep crafting and have fun.